The next tool that I want to show you for generating B2B leads is called findthatlead.com. And find that lead is similar to Snow and Get Prospect with some small differences. And in my ultimate guide to lead generation video and in my masterclass, you might have seen that I have mentioned this tool, but I did not go in depth to explain how you can generate leads with this particular tool. And here in this video, I will go in depth and I will show you how I use this tool to generate leads. So let me go ahead and sign in. And one of the best parts about Find That Lead is that Find That Lead will help you filter out a particular group of people from a particular industry, and it will give you the email IDs directly. And we saw that in Snove.io we were not able to do it because with Snove.io you had to first filter out the companies and then you had to visit those companies' websites and then you had to find out the email IDs one by one. So here we have something called the prospector. So I will click on prospector. And here I can go ahead and enter some details in terms of what is the kind of company that I want to get and which country, etc. So I will click on create new list. And here I would put the list as CEOs India, and location I would put it as India, select India. Job title would be CEO. And I would say that let's say the company should have 1 to 10 employees, 11 to 50 employees, 51 to 200 employees, 201 to 500 employees. So now we have 9,900 leads. So if I remove 1 to 10 employees, then you will be able to see that I have 7,200 leads. So now I can go ahead and click on generate list, and this would go ahead and give me a list of CEOs in India who have a company size based on the criteria that I have included. So let's wait for this page to load. And here you can see it says it is not generated, and I can say show 100 leads in a page. So these are the different leads that I have. And what I can do is that I can just go ahead and click on generate emails. So select all leads and batch leads 5081 from 7222. So click on generate leads, and I can process the data in find that lead server and click on process data, and it would start processing and it would start giving me the emails. So here you can see it will go ahead and check for each and every email, and then once the emails are generated, it would send me an email with the CSV file of the generated leads. So it is that simple to generate leads with find that lead. So let me open find that lead again, and this is going to take some time for it to process, and I will show you a sample list that I generated previously with get prospect. And if I go into prospector, I will be able to see that sample list. So let this page load. So we will close this page for now so that it can keep processing the email IDs. And here you can see if I go into prospector, you will be able to see I have generated 2 lists. So here it is processing, and so this is the one that is processing. So 1% processed, one of 2 batches, and here I can click on see current. So this is where I generated just a few leads to see how it works, and let it load the prospects. So here you can see it says not generated, but I'll deselect all the leads, click on this, click on generate, process data. And if I'm just trying to find out one email, it will immediately tell me this is the email ID, and it shows it is a guess. And this lead might be accurate, might not be accurate. We cannot really know. If it shows in green, then it means that the lead is accurate. So here we can go ahead and click on see current, and let's see if we can generate a few more email IDs using the same process. So I will click on deselect all, and let me select 5 leads here and click on generate emails, process the data in my computer, and it will start processing. So here you can see this is a web email. It says it's a web email, and here you can see it is calm.io. It shows in green. If it shows in green, then it means that it's a correct email ID. And in the previous video, we had a look at getprospect.io, and getprospect will only charge you for verified leads. But here you are paying credits for pretty much all the leads that you generate. And here you can see, this is the company. And I will show you the pricing of getprospect. So getprospect will give you monthly pricing $150, 18,000 monthly credits, $399, 30,000 monthly credits. And right now I am in the plan where I am getting around 5,000 credits a month for $49 a month. So since I'm already on that plan is not being shown here. GetProspect also has a send email tool. So you can connect your G Suite account with GetProspect and send out emails, and you can upload a CSV file here. And this is not just for the leads that you have generated with GetProspect. Like for example, if I want to send out emails to the CEO leads I have generated here, I could go over and click on download and put the CSV file here. And here you can see first name, last name, email, position, company name, website. So everything is available. Select email header. So first name, this is first name, then last name. So all the email headers are selected, and then I can click on next. So close. So it says there might be errors in this email, there might be duplicates. So Find That Lead is one of the tools which is kind of letting you generate leads, but it is also letting you send emails. And I have not personally sent out emails using Find That Lead. And what I would recommend is that if you want to send out emails, I'm going to show you a few more tools such as Mailshake, Clinty, and you have Woodpecker, Gmass. So all these tools are going to get connected to your G Suite account, and they are going to send out emails on your behalf directly from inside your email account, which is the most efficient way to do it. And I would recommend that you use Find That Lead just to generate the leads and not to try to reach out to them. And here you can see right now 25 emails have been processed, and let the entire batch get processed, and probably in a future video I will show you how this entire process works. So let's go back and see some of the other options that are available in Find That Lead. You have a social app where you will be able to enter the Twitter ID of a profile, and you can find out the email ID of that particular Twitter ID or LinkedIn ID as well. So in such cases, I would recommend that you use GetProspect if you want to find out the email ID of someone on LinkedIn, because when it comes to LinkedIn, I have found that GetProspect is giving the most accurate results, and Find That Lead is also a little bit slow, when you are trying to load the pages and when you are trying to click on different tabs. So here it says Twitter or LinkedIn profile. So let's say I will go ahead and put out some Twitter profiles, and let's see if it generates the leads for me. So I would go ahead and put my Twitter profile, and let's see if it is finding out my email ID. So it says it's not found, and let's see some of the people I am following. And again it says not found. So the social app or the social option is not very well done in Find That Lead. And here you have email verification system as well, just like we have it in snow.io, and it would say whether it is a correct email or not. And then you have a search option. You can enter name, you can enter domain or company name. So let's say I enter pixeltrack.com, which is my company name, and let's see if it is able to find out the email ID. So it has found out a few email IDs inside pixeltrack.com. But as you can see, the other options inside Find That Lead are not something that are like standing out, but the Prospector tool is the best option that you can use when it comes to generating leads. and this would help you generate a lot of leads in a single batch. In other tools such as Snove.io and in Get Prospect, you have to kind of manually do the search yourself and then find out the leads. But here we are able to go ahead and find out the leads in batches. That is the best part about Find That Lead. And you will be able to get thousands of email ID in a single batch process. So here you can see we have already found 44 emails out of 5081, and we can probably check back sometime later to see how many verified leads it has generated. So what I will do is that I will leave a comment below this video. After this video is published, I would enter how many verified leads I have got from this particular batch, so that you can have an idea about the efficiency of this particular tool, which is Find That Lead. So that's about it for this video on Find That Lead, and I will see you in the next video right now.